box spring material right there. Okay, you see how flimsy that is? All right, that's what they put on the bottom of your box spring to keep it sturdy, right? Okay, so that's what that is right there. Okay. See that? You replace it nice and firm with a fabric of your choosing. This is batting material. It's the Celtics. And guess what? It's nice and sturdy. You gotta worry about it ripping through. It's not batting. Oh, what is it? Fluffy?
Fleece.
Fleece. Fluffy fleece. If anybody rips open your bed or you break your bed somehow, your box spring, go ahead and grab yourself some nice fleece from one of these fabric stores and a little staple gun and pow! Staple it right on there. You fix it. You don't have to worry about replacing your whole box spring. You just fix it yourself. And it's much sturdier and stronger than that piece of crap material they put on there to begin with. Right? Pow.